Advanced Excel. Logical function. If function. Nested if. How to fix error if error handling in Excel. If functions. If function can perform a logical test and return one value for a true result, and another for a false result. For example, take a look at the if function in cell E5 below. Explanation: if the customer bill is greater than 5,000, then if function returns 10% discount of total bill, else it returns 0. Or function. The OR function returns true if any of the conditions are true and returns false if all conditions are false. For example, take a look at the OR function in cell E5 below. Explanation: the OR function returns 20% discount of total bill, if customer bill, 1,000 or product, 5, else it returns 0. How to fix error if error handling in Excel. Given below are some Excel errors. 1 hash value. 2 hash name. 3 hash 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 hash. 4 hash div /0. 5 hash ref. 6 hash null. 1 hash value. Meaning, wrong type of argument in a function or wrong type of operator. Causes: this error is most often the result of specifying a mathematical operation with one or more cells that contain text. 2 hash name. Meaning, Excel doesn't recognize a name. Causes: name. This error value appears when you incorrectly type the range name, refer to a deleted range name, or forget to put quotation marks around a text string in a formula. 3 hash div /0. Meaning, division by 0. Causes: the division operation in your formula refers to a cell that contains the value 0 or is blank. 4 hash ref. Meaning, invalid cell reference. Causes: this error occurs when you delete a cell referred to in the formula or if you paste cells over the ones referred to in the 5 hash null. Meaning, problem with a number in the formula. Causes: this error can be caused by an invalid argument in an Excel function or a formula that produces a number too large or too small to be represented in the worksheet.